Hello everybody, today I have an unboxing video for you. I have a package from Babycraft and I thought I would open it with you. So let's open this together, shall we? Well packaged as always. There we go. Okay. So, the first thing, I'm trying to sort of think in my head what I asked for. And these are 2mm seed beads. Look at those colours. They are very different to what I would normally get, but I've asked for these for a specific reason. Because I don't have very colourful beads in my collection. And I wanted some. Oh, look at those. And these are like a matte type of bead, as you can see. They're not ultra shiny. I'm not sure if... Oh, did I just... Hang on a second. Did I just... Let me see what that said. It's a 2mm seed bead. Okay. I just, what did I say? I'm pretty sure that's what it says. I'll put out what it is on the video. Yes. Because these only have numbers. But I'll put the actual name of what they are on the screen for you. And I love the little case they come in. They are fixed boxes, so they're not going to move around or anything like that. And of course all you do is tip your little baggies into there, which I'm going to do right now. Save your bags. You can use those again for other things. There we go. And so I'll do all that off screen. And they're lovely. They really are. They're just what I want. Look at that. Really nice. And then I also asked for these ones. And these are 3mm beads. But these are shiny beads, these ones. And once again, so well packaged. And all the time that I have had Babycraft items, they've always been amazingly well packaged. These ones are not in little bags, so very carefully open them. And there we go. These ones are 3mm inside, and these are like a glass bead. Like that. So they do have a shine to them. They're beautiful. Look at the gorgeous colours in these, and you get so many. Absolutely beautiful. And the box is wonderful as well. Yeah, all nicely stable, so nothing, you know, is going to be mixing with anything else. So beautiful, beautiful beads from Babycraft. And the next thing I ordered was a stamp set. Silicone clear stamps. And this is a travel one, I think it's called. Just let me take it out of the plastic so it's not quite so shiny to show you, although it's in its own plastic there as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, I hope that's a bit better. So we have all these tickets, that's what they are, tickets. So I thought they would be wonderful in my journal making. It's a wonderful set. Really, really nice. Okay, let's just put that to one side. And the next thing I have, and I'm quite excited about this, this is a DIY jewelry making kit. Now, quite some time ago, I was gifted a pair of earrings from my daughter for the sole purpose of using them in my crafting, because I haven't wore earrings in my ears for years and years and years. I actually thought they'd closed up, but recently I found out they have not closed up, so I may start wearing earrings again. Who knows? And I used the earrings she gave me in one of the journals I made, and I loved them. I absolutely loved them. And then when I saw this on Babycraft, I was thrilled, because these are little butterflies. They're like fabric butterflies, and you can make earrings or dangles and things like that. So you get all these different things in here. But look at these beautiful, they're like organza butterflies. Look at those. Oh, you can't see them. Hang on. You find a bit of plain paper here so I can show you what they look like, and hopefully the fan will not blow them away. They're so dainty and delicate. Aren't they just beautiful? Let me get one of the other colours. There's a purple one there as well. They're so pretty. And I think they're all the same sort of thing. And so you get all these little fabric butterflies. You also get some beautiful gems and things like that to add to your charms. And these are glass. Really, really pretty. It's that one there. It's a larger one. So you get a variety of beautiful gems. You also get, see these, let me just show you these things here first. So you get, what's that? That's some chain. You get some gold chain. You get your earring pieces. You also get your little jump rings as well. You get these, it's a combination of, you get some eye pins in gold, like that, with a little circle on the end. But you also get decorative pieces, like, see this? It's like a little decorative twist, like that. You get those, and then you, in the kit, there's also some circles, some little squares or diamonds that you can use to make charms and things. Get the large diamonds as well. And yes, you also get, oh, I think that's it, yeah. Quite sure that's it. I thought there was a triangle as well, but I think it's just, I'm seeing parts of the little squares. So you get a really nice variety. You also get these circles in a smaller size as well, like that. So you get the larger circle, the smaller circle, that you can attach to your chains and things like that. So you get a lovely variety of things there. And the little butterflies, they do have a tiny little hole in the corner of the wing, but I don't, do they? I thought, no, they don't. You put the hole wherever you want it. Sorry, that's just a little marking on the end of the wing there. As you'll see, you can pierce anywhere you like to make the butterflies. Ever so pretty. Oh, that's going to be fun. I'll be able to make something for my journal I'm working on now. So I'll just pop away these gold items so I can show you the last thing that I was sent. And I'll just, before I do that, I will show you this little sheet that comes with it and give you an idea of, like, see the different ways you can make the lovely butterfly earrings and things. And this, it shows you how you can use the different shapes. And they may be earrings here, but if you're a journal maker, I think it was Roseanne, these little earring things, you can actually use those and turn them into like a charm. You cut it off a little bit and twist it around, and then you can use it as a charm, which I'll probably try that, I think. But yes, lots of ideas on how you can make things, and they have instructions as well. So that'll be a lot of fun, won't it? I do like butterflies. And obviously, you could use them for anything you want as well. Oh, yes, you could. You could use it in your stitcheries, in your garden path. Oh, in the garden path. Oh, there's a thought. I might use some in my garden path stitchery as well. So that is lovely. I'm really happy with that. And so the last thing I received, I'll just move these back a little so they don't get spilt. So I can show you this last thing because it's quite large. And still in the bag, this is a paper pack. Let me just open it. Here we go. You can see the papers. I'll just take, that's the cover sheet. I'll take that off and we'll have a little look. And you get 24 sheets. So there's 12 designs and they're single-sided. So there's that one there. And it's got the ships on it. That one. And that one there. And that one. And that one, it's got a real vintage look to it. And they're not too flimsy either, you know, they're a nice weight. It says they're 160 grams. And then there's that one. You've got a little banner on that as well. And then a more neutral kind of page. And then you have this one. It looks like Eiffel Tower. And this one. Nice collage one. And then this. The music going through it. it the same as the other one, or is it the same but a different colorway? That one. Oh no, it's totally different. Okay. And then lastly, there's this one here. So they're very nice, and like I said, they're... It's alright, I'm just... reading what it says. There we go. Yes, a nice weight paper, not too flimsy at all. Will make a beautiful, you know, beautiful vintage style crafts because of the colorings in them. Really, really nice. Yes, quite like those. That one's lovely too. It's like a fabric, isn't it? Might put that one on the top, to be honest, because that one will inspire me. There we go. So that is what I received from BB Craft, and I'm thrilled. I received these beautiful 2mm matte beads and 3mm glass beads, and I want these so that I can add them to my embroidery work, because I don't really have anything, you know, I have a few seed beads here and there, but not a lot. And so I thought these would be ideal, especially for my garden path. I'd love to add some beads in with it, but I haven't had the right kind to do that with. So now I do. I'm going to do a couple of sample pieces, so I will show you how I'm going to do that. These beautiful butterfly earring kit, or charm kit, will be very handy, and we'll make some beautiful charms from that. And once again, I could add some to my stitchery. I have the lovely stamps that I also received as well. So this is a wonderful, some wonderful products from BB Craft. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back throughout the week with my first project with these things. So thank you for watching, everybody, and take care. Bye.